So as far as the topic of refund is concerned, in this, we have discussed about section 26, section 26A, section 27. This we have already spoken about, right? And we have also spoken about the refund application part. So today we are going to discuss that little more. And in addition to that, we'll discuss section 27A and also then moving to next section, section 28. Okay. So process of the refund application. Then section 27A, this is talk about interest on refund. And then we have some portion under the customs manual. This much we have to go through before we move to the next topic, and that is demand under section 28. Okay, so section 20.
To watch full video, join online batch weekdays 8:30 p.m. to 9:30 p.m. Call Tail Institute.